If you want to transcribe a video in Evernote, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step so you can turn spoken content into searchable text in just a few minutes. This is especially useful if you save meeting clips, lectures, interviews, or voice recordings inside Evernote and want a fast way to pull out the text without manually typing everything yourself. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. First, open the Evernote app on your computer or use the web version in your browser. Once you're inside Evernote, create a new note or open an existing note where you want the video to be stored. This is important because the transcription will appear inside the note itself, so you want to start in the right place. Next, add your video file to the note. You can simply drag and drop the video directly into the body of the note, or you can click Insert and browse for the file on your device. Evernote supports common video formats like MP4, MOV, WEB, and MKV, so in most cases your file should upload without any trouble. Just make sure your file stays under 100 megabytes and is no longer than 60 minutes, since those limits can affect whether transcription works properly. After the video is attached, hover your mouse over the video thumbnail or click on it to reveal the controls. You should see an option to transcribe, usually marked with a sparkle icon or an AI-style button. Click Transcribe to begin the process. Evernote will then extract the audio from your video and convert the speech into text automatically. Now give it a moment to finish processing. The time it takes can depend on the length and quality of your video, but usually it only takes a short while. Once the transcription is complete, the generated text will appear directly inside your note, either below the video or beside it depending on your layout and device. At this point, take a few seconds to review the transcript carefully. If there are any spelling mistakes, incorrect names, or technical terms that were misheard, you can click directly into the transcript block and edit the text manually. This is a great final step because automated transcription is helpful, but a quick review always makes the result much cleaner and more accurate. You can also use this transcript to organize your notes, pull key quotes, summarize meetings, or search for important details later. That's one of the biggest benefits of transcribing video in Evernote, because it turns your videos into searchable, editable notes that are much easier to work with. So to recap, open Evernote, create or open a note, upload your video, click transcribe, wait for the text to generate, and then edit the transcript if needed. It's a fast and efficient way to convert video into text without leaving Evernote. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.